Hi, I'm Chris Parcell, the service manager here at Competition Subaru. I'm with Andy, our dent specialist. We wanted to bring something to your attention that I don't think a lot of people know about. It's the Dent Ding Removal.
Yeah, most people don't know that little dents and dings like we have on this vehicle here are repairable without paint, without fillers, or without any need of blending or real body work. We can go behind the metal, massage it back to its original state, and make it look like nothing happened.
That's amazing. That's amazing, and it's very non-invasive. So, is there like a limitation to like what size you can do, or?
There are limitations. Smaller stuff like quarter size and smaller is usually very fixable. The bigger stuff I would need to see to kind of assess the damage.
Yeah.
But most smaller things, regular door dings and dents, are fixable.
Awesome. So like shopping carts and things like that.
Yeah, someone opens their door and you get a little ding over here, or you know, a shopping cart bangs you, we could definitely fix that. Stuff like acorn damage and hail damage, it is fixable, but I would need to physically see and assess the damage before we could go further with that.
That's one thing that we're going to do. We'll take a look at this complimentary for you and give you an assessment as far as, you know, whether it can be taken care of or not. Once we identify it, we can give you a price on the spot, and if you want to go ahead, we can go ahead and do it that same day. Why don't we show you guys just what this process looks like? It's pretty cool. I gotta say, you guys have this down to a science. It looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. You know, I would have thought that I had to take this to a body shop and spend, you know, several $100s, if not these days close to $1,000, but that was awesome.
Yeah, we go in, we massage it. It doesn't just come right back to where it needs to be, so we do have different punches and stuff. As you saw, we knocked it down, a little bit up, a little bit down, and we get to that perfect level place to be.
Yeah, it's phenomenal. Thank you so much. Definitely,
no problem.
Definitely.